We present Speechless, a conversational personal assistant that makes AR more effortless and more socially appropriate using adjustable intent articulation. Existing work have addressed the challenges of embodied AR user interfaces that proactively supports the user in everyday environments. Another line of work focuses on the use of wearable AR for social acceptability and personal privacy. Speechless aims to address similar challenges, but by allowing users more agency and control on top of an intelligent decision-making of a personalized agent. We make 4 core contributions. First, we design an end-to-end proof-of-concept system for a personalized wearable AR ecosystem. Second, we introduce a new interaction paradigm that lets users adjust how much detail they express in a query while still leveraging an intelligent agentic system. Third, through a 7-day longitudinal formative study, we identify practical challenges in current wearable AR devices. Finally, we evaluate Speechless through case studies, a lab-controlled user study, and a week-long in-the-wild field study. At the heart of Speechless is a new interaction paradigm. We position our work as a hybrid between user-driven systems and system-driven approaches. Today, the most common way to interact with a wearable AR assistant is by speaking to it out loud. More recent privacy-aware approaches instead let the assistant intelligently infer a user's interests and timing and proactively surface information. Each approach has its strengths and limitations. User-initiated queries provide explicit expression of intent, but can be inconvenient and raise privacy concerns when users must speak out loud every time. Proactive systems reduce the burden of speech and can be more privacy-aware, but struggle to reliably predict when information is truly needed. Speechless bridges these two approaches by allowing users to communicate through speech, but with minimal utterance. When a user says something like, "My morning routine traffic," or even just traffic, instead of asking, "What is the traffic like on I-95 right now?" Speechless fills in the gaps. We track a user's personal usage patterns across queries and bind them with spatiotemporal and activity context. This allows the system to automatically complete or refer back to what the user would have said, even with minimal verbal expression. You can think of this as an autocomplete mechanism, similar to text typing, but grounded in 2 key ideas. First, personalized spatial memory, and second, everyday AR form factors that rely on spoken interaction. Speechless is a platform-agnostic system that can be ported across different form factors, including wearable and handheld AR devices. However, for controlled evaluation and due to current hardware limitations, we implement and test the system on a head-mounted display and on mobile devices. This setup allows us to evaluate whether our proposed interaction paradigm works effectively with an AI assistant in a controlled environment, and to examine whether it can reduce the social friction of speaking out loud in public using users' everyday familiar smart devices. We showcase the capabilities of Speechless across 6 different scenarios, demonstrating low-utterance, socially acceptable AR assistance. We also conduct a lab-controlled user study as well as an in-the-wild evaluation with more than 30 participants. The results show that Speechless can significantly improve the convenience of human-AI interaction and mitigate social friction while maintaining the expressive capacity of user queries. Please refer to our paper for more details. We appreciate your interest in our research. Thank you.